Hey guys, how are you all doing? My kids love pastas and I make it quite often. Today I'll show you the Chinese version of it, which is super delicious and super quick. So let's get on to the recipe. So for this we need to boil the pasta. Today I'm using this macaroni shaped pasta. You can choose to use any shape of pasta you like. Next, in a pan, I've added enough water for boiling. To this add in a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of oil, and add in this 2 cups of pasta. Stir it and let it boil for about 6 to 7 minutes or until al dente. You can boil the pasta as per the packet instructions also, depending on which quality and which shape pasta you're using. So I boiled this for almost about 7 minutes. Let me cut one pasta and show you. You can see this is still underdone. It still has some resistance and it's forming a small ring. That's it guys. Off the flame and strain it to a colander. Pour in some more water to stop the carryover cooking and set it aside. Let's start preparing the base gravy. For this, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once heated, add in a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Cook that for about 30 to 40 seconds. Next goes in some slit green chilies. Cook that as well, followed by some spring onion whites. And cook that just for a minute. So while it's cooking, let me show you what all veggies I'm using. I'm using 1 slit onion, some carrots and some capsicums. Add all these veggies into this. And again cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it is slightly soft. Do not make the vegetables too soft. Let it remain slightly crunchy. And if you want guys, you can also add some mushrooms, some cabbage, some chicken, some corns or whichever veggies you like here. Now goes in a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for a good color and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder for that spiciness. Mix everything well. And then goes in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chili sauce, a teaspoon of vinegar, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. And again mix it for about 1 more minute or until all the sauces are nicely cooked. You can see the sizzle. So while the sauces are getting cooked, let's prepare the corn flour slurry. For which in a bowl I've taken 2 tablespoons of corn flour, add about half a cup of water and mix. This corn flour slurry is ready. It should be free from any kind of lumps. Add this over the veggies and keep cooking for about 2 to 3 more minutes or until the base thickens. You can see all the masalas and sauces and veggies are nicely cooked with the base. This Chinese thick saucy base is ready. Add in the boiled pasta, some spring onion greens and mix. So keep cooking and mixing the pasta just for about 2 to 3 more minutes or until the pasta is fully done. Do not overcook the pasta, else it will turn mushy. Oh, it looks amazing guys. I'll show you from close. Each and every pasta is nicely coated with the saucy base and looks so tempting and delicious. So that's it guys. Your homemade Chinese flavored pasta is ready. Plate it up and then you can top it up with some more spring onion greens on top. Doesn't it look amazing and gorgeous? Hope you enjoyed this recipe guys, and if yes, please consider subscribing to watch all my new videos and let me know your thoughts on this version of pasta. I hope you will try it. I'll see you soon in my next coming video. Until next time, bye bye.